welcome to another recipe video. I know it's strange, we're in my studio, my painting studio, which I don't have a choice since I have so much paint to do. So, I think it's nice though, but you're gonna see it doesn't matter. The recipe I'm gonna give you, it's great. So, what we're gonna do this week, we're gonna do some pork chop in the oven, but with a twist, with some spice on it that you're gonna see. It's wonderful, it's very nice and very fast to make, especially when you're in winter or it doesn't look good outside, so you don't have to use your barbecue and still have a very nice meal which can compete with a barbecue. So guys, I hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys, ciao.